Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to use Asana for content calendar management, your complete 2025 guide. First things first, create a new project in Asana. Click the orange plus new button and select project. This is your content calendar's foundation. Your content calendar holds all your planned content, so having a dedicated project for it keeps everything organized. Now that we've done that, let's add tasks. These are your individual pieces of content. Click the plus add task button, give it a name, and assign it a due date. The reason we do this is to keep track of when each piece of content needs to be published. Next up, add custom fields. Click on the Fields button, then plus add field. These fields can be used for things like content type, status, and channel. This helps us because it allows us to filter and sort our content in different ways. Let me explain why this matters. As your content calendar grows, you'll need a way to quickly find specific tasks. Custom fields make this easy. Lastly, invite your team. Click the Share button and add their email addresses. This is crucial as it ensures everyone involved can see the content calendar and their responsibilities. To wrap up, Asana is an excellent tool for managing your content calendar. It's all about creating a project, adding tasks, using custom fields for organization, and inviting your team. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, happy planning.